Do you guys remember your first day on campus? Like what that was like?
Yeah, I remember my first day. I had a 9 a.m. and I was like, oh, I'm going to be so early. But I forgot that college is not like high school and it's not a tiny little building. And I got lost and I used my Google Maps and I couldn't find my first class of the day. And I kind of felt like I wasn't going to be successful in college. But I picked myself up, got to my 11 a.m. class, and it's been a go since then.
That's amazing.
That's
And how about
amazing.
you?
I got lost too. I actually had to ask someone for directions, but luckily everyone on campus is just so nice and willing to help and like direct the students. How was your
and you?
first day?
Yeah, for me, well, I had a week of orientation, and our first exercise was a scavenger hunt, which is great because, like, I mean, we got lost a lot, but at least when classes came around, we
You
knew where
you
to go.
were.
Yeah, so that was, and it was fun. Like, for me, the first time seeing the Duke Chapel was incredible, like, because this is, I mean, Duke is known for its chapel, and so seeing that in person was something else.
When did you start thinking about college?
I think probably the 8th grade. I just started thinking, what type of things do I want to do in high school? Where do I want to go to college? How do I want to make the most impact? And yeah, what about you guys?
I guess for me, it's when I started writing my external exams. So I did SATs, APs, O levels. I did everything because I had no idea where I wanted to go. But I ended up going to NYU Abu Dhabi in the middle in United Arab Emirates, and it was a great experience because I got to visit New York, like study in New York for a year, and get the best of both worlds, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, I would say I started thinking about it when I was studying for the PSAT. So started considering like, well, what places do I want to go? So
That's cool.
So when was the first time that you went to a college campus? Do you remember?
I actually, the first time I went was in middle school. I went to a science Olympiad competition and I visited NC State for the first time and I was sold.
I also went in middle school. I think I was like in 8th grade. And I went there for a science talk. And literally, I fell in love with the idea of college. Just seeing everybody there looking like they had their lives in order. It was really amazing.
What about you?
What about you?
Yeah. Well, for me, I didn't get to go to a college campus until my senior year, and that was for Canada Weekend right before I started university, and I wish I had the chance to see the campus when I was younger. When did you guys go to the camp?
The first time.
Sorry. Can we?
Yeah,